years, and I think we're happy to say that it is the longest running film not in India only, in the world. And it's actually gone into the Guinness Book of World Records, etc. So super kicked to be part of it. I don't know whether we can take credit for it. We'd like to. I'm sure Shah Rukh will. But when we shot on the bus,
That's the one and only time I've been on a bus. I've never been on a bus.
No, it was amazing, but we were feeling so cold. It was not a sunny day, I want to tell you that, and it was cold, and we were freezing, and our sweaters were on the bottom half of the bus while we were on the top half of the bus. But
Even the choreographer hadn't reached. I think traveling from Switzerland, so we just shot it without.
we just shot it without Sarojji, and without the choreographer, and it was mad how we've shot that film all over. I think we kind of, funnily enough.
Also, just to take you back in time, it was that time very exciting to go abroad and shoot. It still is, but those were the initial days when you went and shot. For me, with Dilwale was really one of the longest run films shot abroad, in Switzerland and in London. So it was very exciting. Post that we have come and shot a lot of films in UK, but this was like the first of its kind. And I remember.
And so were you willing to do all these mad things also?
We were away from, I think, the central London part. We used to go bowling at night. I think small areas had been designated for bowling and shopping on the outskirts. So it was very exciting times.
Adi, in fact, said, "This very picture hit ho jaye."
Yeah, it should
I just
do
wanted to
well.
be a hit. It should just do well.
Also a new thing for us because we were new actors. So there's a lot of stuff in this film, whether it's the dancing part or the acting part or doing outdoor stuff and even the clothes, I think were very new for us. So when we didn't realize how new it was till we see it now. With leather jacket, saris, and how iconic and this. It all was very new for us because we were rather young, and to do all this and pull it off, even we had no idea that we'd be able to do it. So the older generation people would talk about this film, and the strange part of this film, because it's been running for so long, and when you try to analyze it, obviously it's a film that still is relevant somehow. And I think apart from the nostalgia part of it, I think the attachment that a lot of Indians would feel to back home and kind of explain it to the kids. Like for me, I think I always wondered, would I last as a star long enough for my youngest son to